Now let me explain the N3HX series inverter's peak shift working mode. Let's take California as an example. When PV, grid, battery is available, we set the charging period from sunrise to noon as charging period. The discharge time period is set from on-peak to midnight. The inset period is the period of no charge or discharge. Next steps I will show you how to set the interface. Charging time is from midnight to noon. Solar energy will charge battery as first priority. The excess energy will supply power to the loads. If solar energy is sufficient to supply loads and charge battery, and if there is still some extra energy, then the excess power will feed the power to grid. In the period of no charge or discharge, the solar power supply loads at first priority, excess energy to the grid. On charge time, if solar energy is not sufficient to charge battery and supply loads, grid will supply all the connected loads with solar energy together. On discharge time, if solar energy is sufficient to supply loads, and if there is still some extra energy from solar energy, then the excess power and battery will deliver the power to the grid at the same time. When grid, battery is available, PV is disconnected, we set the charging period from night to early morning when electricity prices are the lowest. The discharging period is during the day when electricity prices rise to the peak. On charge time, grid will charge battery and supply power to the connected loads at the same time. On discharge time, if load power is less than battery power, battery will supply power to loads as first priority. The excess power will be fed to grid. On discharge time, if load power is more than battery power, battery and grid will supply power to the loads at the same time.